So first what we want to do is go into here, and this has all of our programs, but what you need for this part is you need Vroid to PMX. And this is just typically one click of a button program where you convert your Vroid to a PMX file. I would suggest, if you really don't want any complications and you're just a beginner, to don't take your model into Blender and try to do something with it and then come to Vroid to PMX and then try to get a simple one click, because it's probably not going to work that way. So it's probably typically not going to work that way. It's going to be probably give you a challenge. So I've talked about that in my previous tutorial of how to get around that issue, which consists of the DSS program. So now you see that PMX Editor is in Japanese language, and if you don't speak Japanese, don't worry. All you need to do is click this first button here, this highlighted button I'm on, and that's called the import button. And then you're just going to go ahead and scroll down to your model's outfit. This is mine, which, okay, so there's no worries, I already exported this one. Okay, so I'm gonna open it and then go ahead and do Vroid to PMX and run it. So right here is like the run button, just click that and then it just does the rest of the work for you. Just wait for it. Everything takes patience. It's annoying, but you have to wait. Okay, so it's finally completed, and how you can tell it's complete is your model will come up right here. It will say your model name with .pmx, and that means you successfully did what you were supposed to do. If it says error right here, which I believe it says in English, if it says error, that means something was wrong with your file. And this is why, as I explained, if you're a beginner and you do not yet know how to fix the problems, then do not take your model into Blender and then try to do something with it here, because it won't be just a one click. It probably will give you errors, depending. I think I've had a couple of times where it ran, but usually it's problematic. Okay, so once you have that, download it as a PMX file. It successfully did it, so we're just going to go ahead and close that. So once you have that, now is the time to import both models into MMD. Or maybe. No, first I'll show you how to find your stage and import it, which is typically the same thing. So you would go here and you would type something like MMD Sugekira stage, and you can see if you can find anyone who's created the stage here, which I believe I couldn't find the stage here, and I found it when I searched on Google on the front page, but I don't remember the place I got it from, but I'm sure if you search it on Google you can find it. But like this is an example, like if you wanted to use this Luca stage, pretty sure, yeah, this is the Luca stage. If you wanted to use this, then you would just download it from here, right here, and it's in usually a zip file folder, exactly like the other models. It's going to usually be a PMX file, and you do the same exact steps I'm about to show you with the models. But I'm going to show you the stage as well, but I'm not gonna download another stage because I already have one. But you typically do the same thing, and I'm sure everyone knows how to download something by now. So yeah, so I'm gonna let that one be and just go ahead and show you how to import the models now.